Some of us might have visited this Ogba Zoo, but I believe just few have visited the Ogba River. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what the Ogba River currently looks like, and also be taking you on a tour to see if we still have animals inside this Ogba Zoo, because we've seen videos over time of people complaining of no animals and how scanty the whole place is and so on, needing government intervention and so on. So we're going to be showing you guys the place and the river as well. So first of all, let's show you guys what the Ogba River currently looks like. If you want to visit this river, a lot of persons believe that you can pass through, but I didn't pass through the park. I didn't go through the park to the river. There's a car wash by the side of the park. That's where you can easily access the river. I think it's just like 10 minutes walk down. You walk down the slope to access the river. It was quite scary a bit, and I had to ask questions. I saw some persons coming down from this place. I was like, okay, is this the way to the river? And they said yes. At a point I wanted to turn back. I said no. My stubborn head told me no, just continue on the journey and you'll get there. And luckily we arrived at the river. Though I was expecting something fine, something clean, but it looked more like a place that erosion passed. Yeah. Though I saw some persons swimming at the other side of the river. I could not cross to that part. I don't know how they managed to cross to that part of the river to swim, but I think they went through the main park. So that's it for the Ogba River. Now let's go back to the main park. They made to pay 1,000 naira for a ticket to access the facility. Ogba Zoo was established in the 1970s. The zoo and the natural park was one of the oldest conservation spaces in Nigeria. It was meant to be a sanctuary for both endangered species and for people seeking a connection with nature. Entering this place ordinarily, you will think nothing much is happening here, especially if you go on weekdays, just as I did. You will think nothing much is happening here. But if you actually take time to go inside, you will find some of the animals still evident at this place. Like you have these gigs, just like you can see, call them ducks, and also large tortoise. These are the animals you are seeing at that other edge of the cage. Large tortoise. Though I could not get close to get a clear video of them. I was surprised. This is the first time I'm seeing them, despite the fact that I visited there before. I think this is the first time I'm seeing this tortoise here. So we explored this other part of the zoo. This side is mostly for different species of monkeys. This particular lane is for different species of monkeys. The cage is kind of, so you can hardly see through with camera, but with naked eyes you can see the monkeys playing and jumping up and down. This is a cage for monarch monkey. Like I said, it's a place for different species of monkeys, and the crazy part is that you still have all the monkeys here. These ones are written, you still have them here. So we explored other parts of the zoo, and this place is for, I think, mostly birds. Yeah, this side is for birds, different type of birds. And I saw this animal. The name was not labeled. I don't know what the name is. It was kind of hiding from me. Okay. So if you know the name, please can let us know in the comments. In our previous video, if you can remember, I showed you guys this bird when we visited the Okumu Park. You had this bird there, so I showed you guys. If you guys can remember, I showed you this bird can swallow a full fish. Yeah, it's on my video of a visit to Okumu. This whole area is for porcupines. Yeah, porcupine and just one bed. This whole area is for porcupine. You can see one here. I was scared. I had to go far a bit to make this video because that thing on his back is very, very sharp. You should not go and meet my eye. So I had to go far away from it a bit to make the video. This whole area is for porcupine. And this side is for pythons. Yeah, different types of pythons. You can see one. This one. It's so big that this camera is not doing justice to how big that python is. And we have another one again inside this cage. And another one in the next cage. This section is for pythons. This other cage is for peacock and a guinea fowl. Well, it's written here guinea fowl, but we saw 2 peacocks inside. That is one over there, and there's another one close by. This other side, we saw a large, hungry looking baboon that was looking so tired. That is what is inside this cage, just for baboons. We had to walk this path down to the lion cage. It's a very cozy environment and very, very clean. Yeah, I give it to them. The place is clean. Here we have empty cage. You can see this place is empty, no more animals here. There used to be for lions and hyenas and so on, but because they have just few, they've closed down this part of this section of the zoo. So here we have I think the hyenas. This part is for the hyenas, and the time we visited here, sleeping. Because it was still early in the morning. I think we are among the first persons to get to the zoo that day. I got in there to do this quick video for you guys, and because I was leaving Benin. And this part of the you can see this part also is for the hyena. You can see the hyena sleeping over there. And this part is for the lions, the Mufasas. This part is for the lions. We could only see I think 2, and he is sleeping as well. This other part of the zoo is mostly used for relaxation. It's very, very cozy and quiet as well. Initially, I thought the river that we visited at first was the same river that passed through this place, but when I got close, I found out that it was just erosion. So I had to turn back. This side is like a playground for kids. Mostly weekends, is functional during weekend. So because today is just a normal weekday, we didn't get to see people riding it. But if you come here during festive periods and mostly weekends, you'll see children here. So you can see this other side is mostly for relaxation, people that are doing different activities like birthdays and so on. They make use of this environment. Here you have this throw and win game. When you're able to throw in the stuff, you get whatever you throw it in inside. And here you have 2 horses. I could not ride one, so I just had to make a video of them and leave. Moreover, they're looking hungry and tired. So that's all for the Ogba Zoo. I just wanted to show you guys what the place currently looks like, so you can be the judge. But I think the government really need to look into this place, bring in more animals. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.